Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Maske Sir. So in today's video, we are going to see warming up activities, English workshop and activities from language study section of a skit excuses. So let's start. So begin with some warming up activities which includes chit chat. So from groups and chat about the following. So you are free to write your own responses. Question number 1. Do you come to school on time every day? Answer. Yes, I come to school on time every day. Rarely I come late. जवळपास मी शाळेत वेळेवर येतो, पण कधी अतिशय दुर्मिळ म्हणजे उशीर कधी होऊ शकतो. What do you feel when you are late? When I come late to school, I feel guilty. What action is taken in school on latecomers? Latecomers are given punishment by the teachers. They stand out of the class or in the corner of the class. Regular latecomers are sent back home and told them to call their parents. हे जे लेटकमर्स असतात, नेहमी उशीर येणारे लोक असतात, त्यांच्या विरुद्ध काय कार्यवाही केली पाहिजे? डू यू गिव्ह एक्सक्यूजेस फॉर युअर लेट कमिंग? आर दे ट्रू ऑर फेक? जेव्हा तुम्ही कधी उशीर येता तेव्हा तुम्ही जी कारण देता ती खरी असतात का खोटी असतात? युअर आन्सर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आय नेव्हर लेट टू स्कूल. इफ आय कम लेट टू स्कूल, आय नेव्हर गिव्ह फॉल्स एक्सक्यूजेस. Why is punctuality so important in life? Punctuality म्हणजे काय? वक्तशीरपणा, म्हणजे वेळेचं बंधन पाळणं हे आपल्या आयुष्यामध्ये का महत्त्वाचं असतं? Punctuality is very important in our life. If we are not punctual, we might miss some opportunities that early beginners never miss. Our work delays and that affects our success in life. Margin questions. In what sense was Ritesh early? म्हणजे रितेश जेव्हा मेसेज सेंड त्याला म्हणलं की तू खूपच लवकर आलायस, म्हणजे त्याचा नेमका काय अर्थ होतो? रितेश वॉज व्हेरी लेट वेन ही केम इन द क्लास. इट वॉज ऑलमोस्ट द फर्स्ट पिरियड वॉज अबाउट टू एंड and the second period was about to start. So the teacher rightly said that Ritesh was too early for the second period. जेव्हा रितेश वर्गामध्ये आला त्याला तर खूपच उशीर झाला होता, म्हणजे जवळपास पहिला पिरियड संपल्यात जमा होता आणि दुसऱ्या तासिका सुरू होणार होती. याचाच अर्थ की रितेश दुसऱ्या तासिकेसाठी खूपच लवकर आलेला होता. Question 2. What was the first reason why Ritesh was delayed? रितेशने खूप काही कारण दिले, त्यातलं पहिलं कारण कोणतं होतं? On the way to school, Ritesh heard a scream from the main room. He went there to find if someone needed help. So there was a person lying near the foreman who was groaning with pain. As he reached the man, another man came running out of the shop there. He had a packet in his hand. He was a thief. The man who was lying on the pavement began to run with the man, and they both vanished around the corner. So it was the first reason why Ritesh was delayed. What made Ritesh go back to the shop? Ritesh had left his bag at the shop in the mad rush, so he went back to the shop. When did the dog finally leave the school bag? When the shopkeeper gave Ritesh some biscuits, he offered the biscuit to the dog and lured him away from the bag. How did Ritesh describe the same dog second time? The dog which Ritesh described, a huge dog before, is described the second time as a puppy. Ritesh said that it was a puppy, but it was big in size. तो आकाराने जरी मोठा असला तर ते एक कुत्र्याचं अक्षरशः पिल्लूच होतं. Why did Ritesh refuse to take part in the story writing competition? Answer. Ritesh refused to take part in the story writing competition as he did not want to know everyone that he was an expert in making false stories. Can you believe his last excuse for refusing to take part? No, I don't believe Ritesh's last excuse for refusing to take part in the story writing competition because he was really good in making false stories. English workshop. Complete the following by inserting the correct words from the skit. So answers are already given with the dark letters. The heavy load would not move. The police arrived to deal with the crime. My friend offered me to eat chocolates in the classroom. I was in mad rush to find my lost notebook. The injured child kept groaning with pain. He stole the cash and vanished in the dark night. Rearrange the order of the following events as per the narrator. आपल्याला या वाक्यांचा क्रम लावायचा आहे. So the answers are: Number 1, Ritesh heard a scream from the main road. Number 2, a man groaning with the pain was lying near the pavement. Number 3, a thief came running out of a shop. Number 4, the groaning man joined the thief and ran away. Number 5, a huge dog was sitting on Ritesh's school bag. The dog refused to move. The dog began to follow Ritesh to school. The dog itself found its owner. Discuss and write the answers in your own words. Were the excuses given by Ritesh for his late arrival true? Give reasons for your response. Answer. The excuses given by Ritesh for his late arrival to school were not true. Following incidents tell us that the excuses were not true. Number 1. The man who was groaning with pain on the pavement started running with the thief. Number 2. He gave description of the dog in two places is totally different. And number 3. The story of the dog and his owner is not believable. Did the teacher believe Ritesh's stories? How do you know that? की शिक्षिकेने रितेशच्या स्टोरीवर विश्वास ठेवला का आणि आपल्याला कशा प्रकारे कळते? नो, द टीचर डिड नॉट बिलीव्ह रितेश स्टोरीज. एव्हरी टाइम आफ्टर हिज false excuses, she remarks something mockingly and ironically to suggest that his excuses were false and he had made up the story. Why did the teacher suggest that Ritesh should enter the story writing contest? Answer. The teacher suggested that Ritesh should enter the story writing competition because she wanted to make aware Ritesh that all the excuses told by him were totally false. What, according to you, is the best way to correct the children who are regularly late to school? की तुमच्या मते जे विद्यार्थी नियमित उशिरा येतात त्यांना सरळ करण्याचा किंवा त्यांना नियमित वेळेवर येण्यासाठी आपण काय उपाय केला पाहिजे? फर्स्ट अँड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट वे टू करेक्ट द लेट कमर्स is to make them aware of the importance of punctuality in their life. Teachers should call their parents and ask them the reason of the late coming. Teachers should make them aware of the ill effects of their late coming on their studies. Report the following in indirect speech. Indirect speech. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, हा जो टॉपिक आता आपल्याला रिपोर्टेड स्पीचमध्ये किंवा डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीचमध्ये आपल्याला आलेला आहे, त्याचे डिटेल्स व्हिडिओ आपल्या चॅनलवर तुम्हाला पाहायला मिळतील. अगदी प्रत्येक वाक्य प्रकारानुसार प्रत्येकावर एक इंडिपेंडेंट असा व्हिडिओ मी तयार केलेला आहे. जो हा टॉपिक तुम्हाला क्लिअरली समजून जाईल. ते तुम्ही पाहू शकता. यांचं डिस्क्रिप्शन, यांची लिंक मी तुम्हाला डिस्क्रिप्शनमध्ये लिहून देणार आहे, किंवा पुढे चॅनलवर तुम्ही सर्च केलं तर तुम्हाला त्याचे व्हिडिओ आपोआप मिळून जातील. Sentence 1. Ritesh, may I come in, madam? Ritesh requested the teacher if he might come in. Mrs. Sen, Ritesh, you are too early for the second period. Mrs. Sen told Ritesh that he was too early for the second period. Ritesh, I had left my bag at the shop. Ritesh said that he had left his bag at the shop. Next, Ritesh, I am sorry, ma'am. Ritesh told the teacher that he was sorry. Mrs. Sen, there is a story writing competition. Mrs. Sen said that there was a story writing competition. Imagine there is a story writing competition in your school. Frame a notice about the same to be put up on a notice board. Cover the following points. एक तुम्हाला नोटीस बोर्ड, तुमच्या शाळेच्या नोटीस तयार करायचे, नोटीस बोर्डवर लावण्यासाठी त्यामध्ये हे खाली दिलेले पॉइंट्स कन्सिडर झाले पाहिजे. तर आपण नोटीस करूया डायरेक्ट. स्टोरी रायटिंग कॉम्पिटिशन. Our school has arranged a story writing competition for school children. The competition is for 7th and 8th standard. You may write your own story of your choice, but must be your own. Any already published story will not be given entry to the story writing competition. The competition will be held in our school assembly hall on Monday, the 15th of September 2020. The participants will be given an hour to write their stories. Paper will be provided to write the stories. The participants should make their entry before the 10th of September. 3 prizes will be given to the winners. Judges will make the final winners. Some of the points while judging the stories are language of the story, style, story writing skill, imagination, newness of the story. Students, those who want to take part in the competition can contact Mrs. Joshi to make their entry in the competition. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video.